So you think Google's algorithm hates you? Well, let's be blunt. It doesn't. It doesn't even know you. But your content structure, yep, that might actually suck. I'm Tony Wright, and this is your Marketing Minute. Google's not penalizing you because of some secret blacklist. What it is doing is ignoring your content because it can't figure out what the hell you're talking about. Here's the fix. Structure your content like you're answering a question from a very smart but very busy person. That means start with a clear answer or a summary up top. Use subheadings that match actual search queries. Keep your paragraphs short and scannable, like a human and a bot are reading them, and use bullet points when appropriate. See what I did there? And for the love of rankings, don't bury your main point under 500 words of fluff. Google doesn't reward long content, it rewards useful content. If you can't get to the point fast, someone else will, and Google will reward them instead of you. So, no, the algorithm isn't broken. Your content strategy might be. Fix the structure, then check the rankings. And that's your Marketing Minute. I'm Tony Wright.